Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows laptop will not hibernate, then please watch this video. So, the hibernate mode needs to be enabled, and I'll tell you how this is done. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select power and battery. Now, the last option will be lid, power, and sleep controls. Expand this. Now you have two modes, plugged in and on battery, and it mentions the reaction of each and every action, like pressing the power button will make my PC do what? Pressing the button will make my PC do what? Closing the lid will make my PC do what? So let us say pressing the power button will make my PC do what? I can change it to hibernate. Now if the cable is plugged in and I press the power button, then it can go to the hibernate mode, and that's how I will activate the hibernate mode. I can also do it for the on battery options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.